Good morning, everybody. Please open your textbook, English, Marigold, English Marigold, page number 88. Don't tell, page number 88. Don't tell. Marigold, okay. Only 3 people are here. Okay. Noreen Jaman has joined. Shankalan, Vendrila. Good morning, everybody. Please open at page number 88. So, sometimes don't tell. What is the meaning? Somebody you don't want to tell something. But sometime when you are growing up, your mother is telling that, please don't tell anything, don't do anything. Okay? Okay. So, whatever you are going to do, they are sometimes telling, please don't do like this. And also at the same time, we are also thinking that I should also have privacy. I should not tell something to my mother, parents, like this. Okay? So, like this type of poem I want to tell. Please read with me. Here, there are lots. Are these some things that grown-ups don't let you do? Read about what this child feels. What are you telling? That's why they are thinking. There are lots of things they won't let me do. They won't let me do. Sometimes your parents are telling, sometimes teachers are telling, sometimes elders are telling that please don't do. And also sometimes you are thinking, will I do these things? I am not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I am all grown up, and I'll show them all one day. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried. But nobody knows that I am really a giant inside. So this is a very nice poem for you and us. Sometimes we are also not thinking what you are thinking. We are always telling in the class, please don't talk, please don't talk. Why? You are telling me, ma'am, we have come to school. Sometime we should talk with our friends. Actually, you can talk, but sometimes it is too noisy that we have to tell that, please don't talk. Sometimes you are playing, running so fast. That time also we are telling that, please don't do, you will fall down. But you are thinking, ma'am, when will we play? We can play. Like this type of 100 things, 1,000 things, your parents, your elders, your teachers, everyone is telling. Because you are now small, you are a child. So you are thinking that, okay, will not tell now. But inside you, there's someone that they can think that we can do. Giant means very big, very big, very, very big. So somebody is thinking that you are very big, so we can do. Let me do something that I can also do. Okay? That's the real thing. So here, sometimes some child is thinking that I could show them now if they give me a chance. Chance means some opportunity. Okay? That is also a new word for you. Opportunity means chance and opportunity. In Bengali we are telling sujog. Okay? Like this. Chance, some opportunity if you give me, then I could do. If I tried means if I try something, that time also nobody knows. But nobody knows that I'm really giant from inside actually. So here some stories, that poem is for you and us also. And one thing here, new words, enough, chance, giant, patient. Patience means those who are having patience. Okay, dhoirjo. Some things we are having, that is also our quality. So here, some word, enough. Enough means also whatever, that is also sufficient things. Sufficient, whatever we are having, one quality, that is sufficient things for enough. Chance means I told opportunity, and also patient, that is also quality of patience. Here, enough, sufficient, and chance, opportunity, and also patient. Giant means very big. Very big. And patient, having patience. That is also a quality of mind. Okay, so that 4 words meaning I have already written, that is enough for you if you want to write it. So how old is the speaker? The question number 89, we can go and write that. And you have already got the PT2 syllabus from your website, you can see that, okay? So I think here I can write question number 1, page number 88, I can write from first question. How old is the speaker? How old is the Have you got anybody from Rajkishore? You have told no, you have already read. So, I am not big enough yet. They say, I am patiently well till I am grown up. And I'll show them all. One day I could show them now. So here, anybody? Shankalan is typing. Any age have they given? Nobody knows that I'm really giant. Shankalan is typing, what are you writing? I want to see that. Syllabus not uploaded. His website, Shankalan. Okay, I'll just, last day also I have told. Okay, today then I will give to my e-portal. Please open my e-portal. If you cannot, next day again I will tell. Okay, beta? Okay. Actually, again I am telling that whatever I have up to that English book, up to my silly sister, that is PT2, okay? Silly sister, that is in PT2, and they are from okay, I will give. Now I cannot remember properly. I will give to my e-portal. Okay. And website also I have asked, sir, they have given, but you have told, again I will tell, sir. Also cool office. That's, okay. Rajkishore, tell me that what is the age, how old is the speaker? Who are they and them in the poem? They and them. You can write only one word. So I am not big enough yet, they say. Okay. So here, age they have not given. only they told that he is a child. So we can tell that he is child. What this child feels. But he is telling nobody knows I'm really giant. And here they won't let me do lots of things big enough, they say. I am all grown up, I'll show them all one day. So here, I'm rubbing this and also I'll write. Answer is that the speaker is a child. Speaker is a child. She is big enough inside. So age has not given here. Proper age has not given here. So speaker is a child. Inside he is big enough. Inside him, his age, proper age, is not given here. Is not given here. Maybe he's like you, your age. He's 7 years old or 8 years old or 9 years old, like this. So you can write in your age also because it is your poem. Okay. Who are they and them in the poem? Number 2. Question number 2. Who are they and them in the poem? Answer is that they and them are, here I am writing, they are, them are his parents or elders. What is the secret the speaker is hiding? He is telling that I could show them now if they gave him chance. Nobody knows that I am really giant inside. So that is the secret. Okay. So, answer number, question number 3. What is the secret the speaker is hiding? Is hiding. Speaker, the secret is that, only you can write like this. Secret is that he is giant from inside. So, he knows everything and he can do everything. Rajkishore, this is not the this is not the class. So please don't ask like this, okay? he knows everything and he can do everything. Okay, only this line you can write. And number talk time 1 and 2, you will talk time, what is that? Think of 3 things that they won't let you do. It is like this, you can think, next day I will do, or if you can write, I will tell that. And what are the things you would like to do when you are grown-ups and you cannot do now? Using the letters or given the word, make 3 words, one is done for you. Blackboard, blackboard, black. Mother, vegetable, 1000, helicopter. From 3 words, one here. So everybody please answer this. Page number 89. If you can answer it. Or next day, I will do. Okay, I am just giving you. You will think and I will do the next day. So if you are having any problem, please tell me. Shankalan, any problem? Okay. Syllabus I will give today in my e-portal. Okay. I will write PT2 syllabus. So today up to this, those who are present, please write P